Alright, we're gonna look inside the Bakwai store, which is a little bit more than $1, about $1.20. So I think everything in here, or most things, are $8. Kind of like basically your dollar store. It says they're gonna move just the last few days. So all $1.20.
店面移转，店面移转，本店所有商品8块，全场8块，通通8块了。要买的请赶快，只要8块。
I'm your bag.
看看那种汤拿回去吃过那种香的拿去。店面移转，本店所有商品
Sexy goddess.
全场8块，通通8块。要买的请赶
Thomas
快。
the Train knockoffs. Chinese tanks. Everything in here is it's not marked like that. That's 15. That's $2. Huh. That's pretty cheap. Shoes, cups.
店面移转，店面移转，本店所有商品全场8块，通通8块了。要买的请赶快，只要8块，去8块。
Women's brassieres. Pikachu or something. Ooh, I need some batteries. Might have to get some batteries. This is professional strong towing rope. Toothpicks. Steel balls. Cutting boards. All kinds of stuff. Massage things. Oh. Some kind of a geomancy something. Oh, it's a compass and something like that. It's toothpaste. This might be toothpaste. Might have to get some of this. Alright, so that's what's going on here in the store.